Welcome from Hikvision. I'm Dan Hawkins and I look after the internal projects here at Hike. Today we're going to be looking at the new TandemView from Hikvision. So TandemView is our meaning for a camera that has one PTZ lens and one fixed lens in one camera housing. So have you ever struggled with complicated cabling or working on a multi-camera installation? For instance, in areas with lots of traffic like a crossroads. Customers or end users want to see the whole road but require PTZ capability as well. Well, TandemView has solved this problem. With TandemView, customers can relax with the continued monitoring of the overview camera even when the PTZ is zooming in or tracking something else. Beyond just having a good image, customers expect better low light technologies. The fixed lens even comes with color view technology, and PTZ lens is using our powered by Darkfighter technology. So in this video, we will introduce the PTZs with TandemView and show you some of the demonstrations. So what's the product range? TandemView is a new technology incorporated into both Pro Series and Ultra Series range of cameras. The 2SE7 is more cost effective. It suits small and medium projects but comes with more functions than the 2SF8, which is designed with a 180-degree Panaromamic lens and advanced hardware. It suits larger projects with sufficient budget and are less worried about smart linkage tracking. So the different products allow customers to have more solutions to solve their problems. So what is the product all about? Well, PTZ with TandemView technology brings more opportunities with easier operational value. Two lenses in one camera. One of the benefits is that we can save time during the installation and even the management of the device itself. So bear in mind that we are only installing one camera using one cable, but still getting those two images. Also, those two channel cameras can be managed by one single IP address. Fixed lens of PTZ with TandemView has a larger field of view. For example, the SF8C PTZ with TandemView comes with a 180-degree fixed lens with color view technology and very little distortion. When installed in a high position, the fixed lens from the SF8C PTZ with the TandemView can tilt all the way down to monitor the area beneath the camera itself. Working in traffic areas, the camera can cover a large field of view via the fixed lens, whilst also checking specific detail with the PTZ lens. 3D zoom is another useful function. Users can select a target on the Panaromamic window using the PTZ function in Hike Central, and the PTZ will then go and zoom in to look at the area that you have selected. Provides more detail and quicker and more precise actions. At present, only the SE7C with TandemView has smart linkage tracking. This function means that the two lenses work together. This linkage between the fixed lens and the PTZ lens is accomplished via calibration. There are two types of calibration, auto and manual. This helps the linkage work much more accurately in the diverse situations that we present. Embedded deep learning algorithms mean the cameras can track humans and or vehicles based on the user's selections, as well as triggering light and sound warnings with reduced false alarms. What are the technical specifications? Well, there are some significant features and differences between the two PTZs with the TandemView cameras. The SE7 fixed lens with color view and PTZ lens with powered by Darkfighter technology. The fixed lens is 4mm and the PTZ lens can support up to 32 times zooming. Both fixed lenses and PTZ lenses are embedded with AcuSense. Then we have the SF8, the fixed lens that can tilt from 7 degrees to 17 degrees. For low light technology, the fixed lens comes with color view and the PTZ lens with Darkfighter technology. Now we have our 2SE7 camera ready to unbox. So undo the flaps at the front and the handle, slide out the polystyrene. Inside we've got our usual PTZ quick start guide, PTFE tape, Allen key for tightening up those important bolts. The RJ45 sealant connector, and our waterproofing tape to go around the seals. Also at the top of the box is our connectors for our PTZ. We've got audio in and out on the purple and pink. We've got alarms, the RJ45 and power. So slide off the polystyrene over the top. I'll drop the box down. Lift out our PTZ. Next up, we'll mount the PTZ on a bracket and show you exactly what it does. So here we have our 2 SE7 TandemView camera. On top you can see the bullet camera, which uses our ColourView technology, assisted by these 2 small supplemental LEDs below. Underneath that is our PTZ. Again with 2 LEDs to give you a flash when there's an alarm, and the speaker to provide an audible warning. The PTZ uses our powered by dark fighter technology. One of my colleagues is now going to set off the alarm so you can see and hear what it's like. So now we're going to unbox our TandemView camera, which has the panoramic lens built in. So using my trusty Hikvision penknife, cut through the tape on the top, close that bit of sharp equipment back up, and then open up the box. Inside we've got this extra piece of protection foam on the top there. We've got our gland for the RJ45 connector to keep that nice and waterproof. As usual, the PTFE tape and the waterproofing tape. Wrapped up nicely is our conduit adapter. And not forgetting the Allen key to do up those important bolts. Mounting plate to attach to our pole mounts or corner mount brackets. And then our quick start guide as well. So lift the camera down. Remove the foam using the red handle. Remove the camera from the box and position on the table. So here we have mounted the 2SF8 TandemView camera. As you can see, it has 2 ColourView cameras or ColourView lenses on the top. These can be tilted down from 70 to 70 degrees. This gives you a wider field of view closer to the camera. They are also using the supplemental lights which they have on the sides to give you that colour image 24 hours a day. Below that we have the PTZ. The PTZ incorporates these IR lenses with the flashing LED below, also using our dark fighter technology. My colleague's going to walk in front of the camera and trigger the alarms to show you what happens when the audio and visual alerts sound, as well as the tracking for the PTZ. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Don't forget to visit our website shown below at hikvision.com/UK. If you want more information, including those demo videos, search Hikvision UK Technical Support on YouTube, and you'll find an ever-expanding library of short guides to choose from. Bye for now.